Hello students, welcome in business studies video, and in this video we will start the unit number 7, directing. And in directing unit you have studied the elements of directing: supervision, motivation, leadership and communication. And in last video, in yesterday video, we studied the types of communication, and there are two types of communication, which are formal communication and informal communication. And yesterday we studied the formal communication, which communication is done with the official foundation, that is called formal communication. And today we will discuss the new topic, informal communication. Informal communication is the communication based on informal relationship. Informal relationship, that means there is no need to follow the formalities. That means among the members of an organization at the same or different level. So it is free from all formalities of formal communication. जो फॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन के थ्रू जो हम ऑफिशियल डिफरेंट फॉर्मेलिटीज को कंप्लीट करते हैं, इन इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन दीज फॉर्मेलिटीज आर लीव एंड वी विल शेयर एंड डिस्कस विद each any other person, any other employee to freely. So that's why it is called informal communication. Next is the, and it this informal communication is usually oral and written, and in convey by the gestures, a glance and smile, etc. So it may involve work related or other matters of mutual interest, and informal communication often supplements formal कम्युनिकेशन. जो इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन है वो फॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन का जो है सप्लीमेंट का काम करता है, बिकॉज इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन superior and subordinate follow some instructions, follow some foundation, and informal communication they are left from these restrictions, these foundation. So informal communication is a supplement of the of the formal communication. So these informal communication is done the work just like grapevine. Grapevine means bunch of the grape. That means we will discuss with in any other person freely with no foundation of the position. And the network or pathway of informal communication is called grapevine. The origin and direction of flow of information cannot be easily traced. इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन के अंदर वो इंफॉर्मेशन की स्टार्टिंग कहाँ से हुई, कहाँ से किस डायरेक्शन से पास आउट होती हुई, वो जो है नेक्स्ट लास्ट तक पहुंची, वी डोंट फाइंड दैट द वे टू fix the responsibility. So grapevine is structure less and it grows towards all direction. And next we studied the differences between formal and informal communication. Informal communication flows through official chain. जो formal communication है वो official chain के through चलता है, superior to subordinate. And informal communication flow from the independent from official chain. Second is the its speed is slow. फॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन की जो स्पीड होती है वो स्लो होती है, बिकॉज इट इज ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम द ऑफिशियल फाउंडेशन, सीईओ, top level manager to low to middle level manager, and middle level managers to low level managers, and after that employee. And informal communication speed is very fast because any one person can discuss the instruction, ideas, fact with the group of a person. Maybe they are belong to top level, middle level and low level of the organization. Third is the that formal communication is mostly done in the written form. मोस्टली जो फॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन होता है, जो रूल रेगुलेशन, जो पॉलिसीज फॉलो कराई जाती हैं, जो पॉलिसीज डिस्कस की जाती हैं थ्रू कम्युनिकेशन, इट इज इन रिटन फॉर्म। बट इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन इज मोस्टली ओरल और वर्बल। ये इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन जो है वो ओरली होता है, वर्बली होता है। एंड next is the formal communication is belong to the related to work, and informal communication is related to the social. And in formal communication is very easy to fix responsibility. यहाँ पर इन फॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन में रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को फिक्स करना बहुत इजी होता है कि हु कन्वे दिस मैसेज, बट इन इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन देयर इज नॉट possible to convey the fix the responsibility. So these are the differences between formal and informal communication. Next difference is orderly and systematically. Formal or communication is done through orderly, proper order and systematic manner, but informal communication is no order at all. उसमें कोई भी order follow नहीं होता, because it is just like a grapevine. Next is the formal communication serves organizational needs. It is done, it is complete for the ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल नीड और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के गोल को अचीव करने के लिए ये कम्युनिकेशन किया जाता है। एंड बोथ इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन जो है बोथ ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल एंड सोशल नीड्स के लिए इसको कंप्लीट किया जाता है। नेक्स्ट इज द फॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन इज इम्पर्सनल इन नेचर। जो फॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन है वो इम्पर्सनल होता है नेचर के अकॉर्डिंग, दैट मीन्स पर्सन टू पर्सन इसके रिलेशन डिस्क्राइब नहीं होता। एंड इट इज द पर्सनल इन नेचर। इसमें जो है इसकी नेचर जो है वो पर्सनल होती है। मे बी वी विल शेयर दिस इंफॉर्मेशन some employees and with not some employee. And next is the informal communication where very low chances of distortion. यहाँ पर मैसेज को गलत कन्वे होने के चांसेस जो हैं उसके डिस्टर्बेंस के थोड़े चांसेस कम रहते हैं। बट इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन के अंदर जो मैसेज है उसका मैटर ही बिल्कुल चेंज हो जाता है, वेरी हाई चांसेस टू चेंज द मैसेजेस। नेक्स्ट इज द इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन नेटवर्क। इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन नेटवर्क, so start. Informal communication is single strand, that means one person to another person and another person to third one and third one to next person. Each one communicates with the other in a sequence. जहां पर एक पर्सन दूसरे पर्सन के साथ सीक्वेंस से बात करता है, आइडिया शेयर करता है, दैट इज सिंगल। नेक्स्ट इज द गॉसिप। गॉसिप इज द one person communicate with all other, that means they don't follow any formalities, and maybe A is the employee and remaining are belongs to top level or middle level or lower level employees, but there is no matter and one person communicate with all the others. Third one is probability. Probability network is each one communicates with other on a random basis. In this method, in this network, that each one person communicate their ideas, facts and information to the probability to others to randomly basis. For example, A give the information to D and maybe F, and it is probable that he will and that person F जो है वो ट्रांसफर करेगा के एन जी एंड डी ट्रांसफर टू एच ई एन सी, दैट मीन्स randomly we will transfer the information to the other person. Next is cluster communication network. Informal communication network is cluster, passing the information to only those person in whom who has trust. जिन persons के ऊपर किसी को ट्रस्ट है उन्हीं ट्रस्टी persons को ही इंफॉर्मेशन ट्रांसफर करना, एंड रिमेनिंग जिनके ऊपर ट्रस्ट नहीं है उनको इंफॉर्मेशन ट्रांसफर नहीं करना। दैट इज द क्लस्टर मेथड ऑफ informal communication network. So these are the methods: informal, communication network, single strand, gossip network, probability, and cluster network.